To your groups. See, like your group? They should
That's
be on
left.
top of you. I did not drop down.
Kite it, guys.
Shot
Give it
me
your
back
best
up.
shot.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
I'll drop the
Range it.
COPs.
All ranged.
Block and walk. We'll need a circle protection right out here, Beast.
I got it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm down, I'm down.
Okay, no problem.
I have them.
Watch it, watch it. Oh, fuck.
Block and walk.
Huh. Leaving.
Block. Oh, he didn't do it.
Oh, watch it, watch it.
Hey, get back on the stack.
Stay. Block
Now
and walk.
Ooh, fuck.
Enough
I
sound
rock.
effects, guys.
Sorry.
Stay in the COP. Block
Keep
and
cutting, I'll
walk.
revive.
Oh, he's coming after you.
Block and walk.
We're at 10% downstairs.
Okay.
We are gods, guys.
We're up.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
My Nova.
Oh, yeah.
Good recovery. COP. Kevin.
Run.
What? I love you guys.
You should just hold on to the red stomp finishes.
Who's got Nova for the popcorn? Get that healer up.
I got it.
Brain, do you have a Nova?
Yes.
Okay. This is popcorn 2. This is popcorn 3. Brain, drop your Nova after this popcorn is over. Right now.
Popping my warhorn.
Nova now.
Lock.
Block again.
To your groups. Fast.
Peach, you gotta watch out for those.
That's right.
Red
Main
tide.
tanking.
Sorry.
Main tanking.
I got it. Everybody on me. Tight stack.
Block and walk. Rob, you got COP?
Ah,
Drop the COP.
Oh, he hit me. Smack
Block
me.
and walk.
Oh, sorry.
My bad.
Oh, that's cool.
My Nova. Block and walk. Block and walk. How's the DPS downstairs?
14%
Okay.
of 9.
Block and walk.
We're up.
Stay out of the red.
We're up.
Popping barrier.
Scatter.
Alright. Here, I'll let you know when to exchange it because I just haunted Hanger. So take him off.
Alright, I got him.
I got you. I'm taking it. Got it. Oh.
I have beast mode.
Health, do you have a Nova?
I do.
Okay, you're gonna drop it after the third popcorn. This is 2, I think.
Thanks, man.
No problem.